The new Vertex 42 Savings Snowball Calculator is a powerful tool that helps you see how long it will take you to reach your savings goals and to pay off your debts. You can use the spreadsheet to calculate how much you should contribute to each of your financial goals every month, and to see what would happen if you saved a little more. First, you need to create a budget and decide how much you can put towards your savings or debts each month. Next, you'll figure out how to divide that amount between your different goals. The easiest way to start would probably be to list out all of your debts. The goal will be to zero out each debt, and the starting balance is the amount of the debt as of the first of the month. Next, you'll want to look up the details for each debt, including the nominal annual percentage rate, as well as your minimum monthly payment. Once all of your debts are entered in the table, think about all of your savings goals. This would include a safety reserve for unexpected expenses, an emergency fund that can help you through financial setbacks, and anything you're saving up to buy. Once you've listed them all out, record the amount that you'd like to save for each one. If you've already put something away, go ahead and enter your starting balance. Most banks give you at least a little interest on your savings accounts, so enter the amount of the interest you're earning on each account. Now that all of your savings accounts are in the spreadsheet, you can prioritize them by entering the order in which you would like to achieve each goal. This is not necessary, but I would recommend sorting the table by priority order, so it's easy for you to see which goals you'll be working toward first. With the snowball method, you'll start out by making your minimum payments on each debt. The difference between your budgeted savings amount and the minimum payments you have to make is the snowball. You'll pay this snowball amount toward one financial goal at a time until it's accomplished. The table calculates when you will achieve each of your goals and how long it will take. You can get a better visual if you scroll down to the chart. For example, at the beginning, you can see you'll be making minimum payments on your debts, and you'll pay the larger snowball amount into your highest priority goal, in this case building up a safety reserve. Once you reach your goal amount for a safety reserve, you'll keep making your minimum payments on the debts, and you'll start putting the snowball toward your next goal. When you pay off a debt, you don't have to make its minimum payments anymore, so the size of your snowball grows, and you put this bigger amount toward the next goal. As you pay off loans that require minimum payments, the size of your snowball grows until you can put your entire monthly savings amount toward one goal at a time. If you think you can adjust your budget to pay a higher amount every month, you can update the monthly savings amount and see how the payoff dates change. The schedule worksheet gives you the breakdown of how much you'll put towards each account month by month, and you can refer to this as you're making your payments. It also lets you enter extra savings, if you can tuck away a little extra in one particular month. The calculated payoff dates will update with any changes you make to the payment schedule, and you can see in the chart where the extra payments are going. When rates change, or when you want to change the amount that you've budgeted, you can update the savings plan table. You'll put in the start date as the first day of the month and update the monthly savings amount if needed. If you've already achieved some of your goals at this point, you can remove them from the table and update the others with their current balances and new interest rates. You're starting fresh, so be sure to clear out any values you had in the extra savings section of the schedule. Using the Savings Snowball Calculator can help you pay off your debts and reach your savings goals by focusing on the most important ones first. Check out the Vertex 42 article for more tips on savings and on how to use this spreadsheet.